Hi guys, I'm here today with some Happy Mail. So I did a trade with a lady in California. We were going to trade ATC cards, but clearly she sent me much more than that. So I thought I'd share with everybody. So let's see what's inside. This is so exciting. I'm going to try to open this carefully. She decorated the outside really cute. Try to do this without cutting anything. And she decorated it up with some stickers and everything. Oh my goodness. There's a lot in here. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? Look at this. Pieces of a book that she kind of painted on. Painted papers from a dictionary. Great idea. I love that. Put that aside, and it's my favorite color there too. Okay. And she decorated some tags. That's cute. Get some washi and glitter washi. And here's another one. Another one. Couple more here, smaller and bigger one. Too cute. I haven't really done trades before, so I didn't really know what to send, but I did throw in a little bit extra, but I don't think I did quite this much. Like I said, I'm new to doing trades like that, so really wasn't sure. Let's see, here's a little note. These are some background mixed media papers that she made. Here's a little like sticker. Sunglasses, those are cute. Oh, cool. So we have some music paper here that she painted on. See what, I'm going to stick this in here. Can't wait to use all that. And there's some more book pages. There's this one. This one. Those are cool. Looks like she kind of got ink and then, I don't know if that's a stamp or not, but I like that design. That's cool. Here she threw some glitter on it. Another one. I gotta see if she has a YouTube channel. I haven't really talked to her much yet. Let's see. Oh, there's some more painty papers. Oh, that's cute. Look at the butterflies. Awesome. That's going to be so much fun to play around with. Oh, so it's a piece of 12 by 12. It's my mind's eye paper, but I guess she decorated it. So some of the color was probably there, but I think she stamped the butterflies. That's cute. There's some paper, looks like homemade paper. I made some homemade paper. I used a little piece one day. Need to make some more. This piece of the blue paper is a piece of handmade paper I made, and the cards are also ones I made. The silver paper is a piece I have extra of and just think it's pretty. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, I was right about the paper. Only because I knew I made some and it looked a similar texture. Oh, that's cute. There's a little card she made. Oh, that's cute. I like these dolls. I don't have any of these stamps, so I thought that was cute. And it looks like maybe a little note there. There's another stamped. There's more. Some more scrap papers with stuff on it. More scrap pieces. I like this because it gives me some more ideas. I'll look at that in a minute. And here's a little bag of goodies she has decorated up. Let's see what's in here. See if I can get this open without, let's see, I don't want to cut. Let's see if I can pull the bunny up so I don't cut the bunny. There we go. Yes, I'm weird like that. Okay. Some more goodies. Oh, I had no idea she was going to send all this. Okay. It's like a book page, a magazine. That looks fun. Cut this tape here so it doesn't stick on everything. And then can we use that? Okay, here's the ATC card. Has her name. Beginner set 12 of 20. Oh my gosh, she sent me 12. I only sent one. I didn't know. There's one. Aw, look how cute that is. It's two. Oh, okay. Well, she did send more than one, but that, like I said, I'm new to making ATC, so I guess what she did is each of these sets she made 20 of, and this was like card number 11 or card number 12 of the 20 she made. Okay, that's cool. Now I know more what to do in the future. Oh, I can't cut this. This is like fabric-y. Let's see if I can get that slide off. There we go. Oh my gosh, she sent way so many. Oh, look how cute that is. This is number 9 of 20. She named it Yes Toucan. This one's called A Simple Hello. Hello, number 8 of 20. This one's called I Fly. Butterfly. This is number 6 of 20, called Don't Let the Days Dragon. That's cute. Oh my goodness, I had no idea she was going to send this many. Some bunny loves me. Oh, look how cute that is. This one is number 4 of 20, Gotcha Gator. This one's called Lacy Lulu. Love and Roses. And last one. This is called Creativity Crazy. These are so cool. Now I have a ton. I've never had, this is my first time. Like I only traded two other times, but it was like one time but with 2 people. So, oh my gosh, look at all these she sent me. This is crazy. I had no idea, like, you send that many. And then we got a little, let's see if this little note here. She's got my name on it, like a little hat there. So I've included 11 of my first ever set of ATCs. I've included a few of my very favorites, and I hope you like them too. The Facebook group is new to me, but it seems like a lot of great people. Hope you find a creative way to use the cards or just add a few more to your collection. I've included a few extra goodies as a way of saying thanks. Just to spread the happy I feel when I get to sit at my desk and make a mess. Wishing you happy and peace. Aw, how cute. Well, that was super fun. So thank you, Beth. Really appreciate it. I had no idea. Like I said, I've only traded like ATCs like 2 other times. One time with 2 people. It was like in a group and we got partners, so I got 2 people. One girl did send 2 and one girl sent 1, so I had no idea. So anyway, thank you, Beth. And if anyone wants to do an ATC trade, let me know. I'll do like 6 or 8 to start because I'm still working on this and I have to make some. But if you want to do it and you want to trade with me, let me know. So thanks for stopping by and I'll see you again soon. Bye.